Hi, I'm Amy Boucher Pye. In the 90s, I came across this book and read it, and it changed my life. I even got to have it signed by Dallas himself. And I got to meet Dallas, and his humble way of living spoke volumes in and of itself. This is what apprenticeship to Jesus looked like. And I kept reading his books, hearing God, his other books, and then Renovation of the Heart. Can you believe we have the 20th anniversary of this wonderful book? What does it mean to have your heart formed by God, reformed? What does it mean to be experiencing spiritual formation? What is transformation? What does it mean to be an apprentice of Jesus? Dallas explores all of these issues in a challenging but readable book. So pick up Renovation of the Heart. It's a wonderful read, and I think it could just change your life.